Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Copy others' works. In a smart way, yes, you read that right. This drawing tip is to copy other artists' work. A very handy drawing tip for beginner and even professional artists. Copy other people's work and practice. Look for old masters, artists that you find amazing, and try to replicate their art. I talk a bit more about this over here in this about creating original art. But do keep in mind that this is just for practice purposes. So, claim it not as your own, that's a felony. Copy other art. For practice purposes of course, this will help you better understand the mind of professional artists. This exercise is only for you in a way of learning. As you try to replicate these drawings, you're trying to understand why the artist drew things the way they did and also how. This is a good exercise for whenever you feel stuck with your art and you can't figure out how to draw something in specific. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.